Alright guys, see beach there. Yeah man, Hellshire beach, this is it. Pretty Hellshire beach. Yeah man, showing the what go on out on the front there, see me? Yeah man, we are going do we think people. See sun, yeah? Sandy beach, only kind of windy still. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so we are going to buy some fish and thing and then easy myself. So guys, they out here, so you know what I mean? If you reach this far in our video, just subscribe. You know what I mean? It's Tyrone, Twitter Tyrone Studio. We're at Hellshire Beach and we're gonna have some fish, some seafood and all of that. You know what I mean? I hope you can hear me still because out here kind of windy. You see me? So they are the right thing, you see me? So we're gonna show you what I go on the front. Beach look different still, man. Like. You know what I mean? So I show you what I go on. Beach of people. It's fun. Why I can't see me, so I'm not going. So guys, out here windy. Windy people. So here we are going inside. We're gonna order some fish. No fish done to order at Hellshire Beach. Perfect fish, you know what I mean? So candy here. Whoop. Yeah guys, we just take a look at pre-anniversary. Yeah, you see me? Because anniversary not come up yet. If on the way, we are going to use the brain, you see me? So, I do a thing. Alright guys, so these are the fish, so we'll buy our fish and then we prepare it, right? And oh, these are the board, okay. So this is the menu board guys. So you can come at Bevs and Sons at Hellshire Beach. So tell me the type of fish I look for this, because I don't really know the name of them.
Alright, you have snapper and you have parrot.
Snapper and parrot.
Yeah.
Okay, what the one anyway? Same one? Same parrot? Is that? Okay. Yeah. So we get it steam, fry, how no prepare it?
Like steam, fry, brown stew, curry, escovitch.
Okay.
Roast. Whatever you want.
Alright guys, so we choose the fish. So we choose 2 pounds of snapper fish. You know I say, and it go steam up well wicked. Plus we'll get some side orders and things. You know what I mean? So things are nice. Hellshire is that nice. And the beach and the setting just right. So just a little chill spot, you see me? So guys, the here, well mass up and thing. Say hi to you people, you know. Corona still keep. So you go stay. So guys, we're gonna eat some food and just build back with self, you see it? Real and proper. This is our pre-anniversary date. You see me? Pre-anniversary. Anniversary will come up, you see me? You know what I mean? So we just like easy funny Saturday and thing. You know what I mean? Big up to Boom Boom. Subscribe to Chef Boom Boom channel. You see me? Subscribe. Real and proper way. Watch your face, you're tired? So guys, the chef them kind of shy. Because they would show you them prepare the food, but them kind of shy. You know what I mean? And we not pressure them the same way. You know what I say? So here, all we can do is just eat the food. All we can do is just eat the food. And give you honest review. And give you some, obviously, you not forget some. You know what I say? So, I just that. So we just chill out on the Hellshire beach side. Doing the right thing, right and proper way. We find a little spot where we just jamming. Yes, it.
Me definitely take a walk and stand up the foot. Yes.
Yeah. So we bought 2 pounds of snapper fish. And it's $1,900 a pound. So we're going to tell you now how much the meal come up to. You see what I say? We're going to do the maths with it. So we're just doing things till I enjoy ourselves. And make the chef them go and do them things. You see me? Yeah,
so we're currently waiting until they finish?
Yeah, we're currently waiting.
So just go on the easy?
Go on the easy.
Alright.
Yeah man, so here guys. I will have to something to drink and then use yourself and farm up, yeah? Oh.
You're in the dark like midnight.
Where you say the pride? You cap up.
You know all the festival with it?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
Alright guys, so here we are waiting for the food, you know. Wait for the food. Why it's cold and start taking it. You see me? So here we are going. The view and everything is alright, and the breeze, the vibe. Guys, when you come to Jamaica, come to Hellshire Beach. You see me I said you have a beach side and Portmore this. You see me I said? Bev and Sunny here. So when you forward over here, so look around about this. We're going to show you what we're going. You know what I mean? So I'm going to turn the camera and show you. So see there? Bev and Sunny. Bev and Sunny.
I food more.
Turn the camera. Show them. Alright, let me show them. See there guys, Bev's and Son. Not Bev's and Son, Bev and Son. So seafood here. Food Japan. Press plantain. Fried press plantain. And we have a steamed fish over here, so. Okra. What else we have here, so? Pumpkin. Irish. So we are waiting pan. What we are waiting pan again? Yeah. Oh, see it. See it just Japan. Thanks. So see the festival here. Okay. It's our customary duty to pray before we eat. So we are gonna pray before we eat. So Father, we thank you for this meal. Thank you for your grace and your mercy. Bless it, oh God, in Jesus' name. And those who are watching, let them taste it too, in their minds. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. So, see it here? When I shake me a while ago, okay, switch for me, you know?
No.
When I shake me a while ago, switch, you know? You see me? How it tastes? Sure what go on your plate, man. You almost you're not getting nobody none. Why?
Not this time.
So here guys, I'm gonna sample the press plant. Oh, there you come from. So people. Let's try the festival. Now give it a dip. Festival is nice. Up about now.
Them fish are full belly fish.
Yeah man, can you say a full belly fish? Yeah. Guys, pull your body. This whole meal come up to about, that costs 3,000 Jamaican dollars, or 2,500 Jamaican dollars. That's like 20 US dollars. This entire meal, let me show you. See it there? Festival, press plantain, K food. My food. Watch him take out my food. Watch him. Deep. What is yours?
If yours is mine.
That don't make no sense. That not equal.
Who said it had to be equal?
The equation not balance. That be balance. Many people equation have to balance. Yeah man, so see there? We have so in the steamed fish guys I have what this name again, crackers, Irish, so on and so forth, and we're eating snapper fish. Complete meal. When I eat this guys, bed you want to go. You just want to go sleep. Yeah man. Tell them how it tastes, okay? Tell them how it tastes. My one have pepper in it, man. Pepper. Grab one press plant here. Drop you over here, so. Grab one. Drop you over here, so guys. So people, I go and do my thing. Pre-anniversary setting. Delicious. I love the pumpkin.
Sexpert and ganja wine. Iron plant roots.
Okay, in your back.
You plate big Joe babe.
I feel bigger.
Bigger me.
Ganja wine.
I feel bigger. See okra there?
Ganja wine.
So guys, listen. We selected our fish. After we select our fish, we gave it to the chef, and the chef prepared it.
Real power, none Moringa seed.
I vibe, man. I love it. I tell you, this tastes really good flavor. Really good. All I need to wash it now is a cold beer. But now I drink the beer when I drive. Yes, see. People, I wish we could have given them some of this. Come on, Jamaica can spend a look at $25, man. I like this, 25 US line up. Get you all of this. Cool. Wow. Boom. Can't wait to see a boom. One day thing now, subscribe to Chef Boom Boom channel, guys. I might do some community development and philanthropy. A lot of things Boom Boom I do, I put in channel across the screen so they can see it. Or sometimes description box no work out for you so they can see the name of it and spell it out, you see me? Yeah man, big up to my mother, big up to my father, big up to my granny, mama, and most of all, big up to my wife. See her, feeding face. We are big up.
Big up God.
Yeah, big up this. Huh? Big up the subscriber, yeah. The subscriber, big up yourself. Guys, watch out. Look what I find in my plate. Look what I find in my plate. Watch out. Fat piece of scotchy. If I ever bite that scotch bonnet paper, yeah, I see my future. We hot. So people, that video now go long still, you see me? We just go and eat up our food and then we'll have vibe and then come back to us soon, you see it? Soon forward. Alright guys, so we finish eat. You can the plate, eh?
I devoured mine.
Can they eat off? What you say? Great?
I enjoyed it.
She eat off all of the fish, guys. See fish over there, sir. Fish skeleton there. I don't really eat off all of mine, all little piece left. So, you enjoy your meal? Enjoy.
No.
Yeah? So, guys, this is it. Finish our meal. So we're gonna pay our bill and then we're gonna whoosh, we're
go.
out of here. So stay tuned, alright? Alright guys, so we're leaving Hellshire Beach now and fishing village, going home on the road. I get me I say? It's around 6 to 7 o'clock. So scan there. That's it. So here we guys. More videos coming if you want to see more of these are anything go out here do the right thing. You see me? So here we subscribe and see you guys in the next video. Alright? Stay tuned. Bye bye.